Happy World Migratory Bird Day! I am Jennifer George, the Chief Executive of the East Asian Australasian Flyway Partnership. And for this year's World Migratory Bird Day, we are honouring our six-legged friends, the insects, and various invertebrates. So outnumbering us humans by 1.4 billion for every person on Earth, they may be small and scary and often irritating, stinging and biting, but as a crucial part of the food chain, they are what our world relies on. And they're especially important to birds. Why? Because they are nutritious, they're full of protein, and many rely on them solely for food. But a recent study showed that Earth is losing about 9% of its land insects every 10 years. Fewer insects mean fewer birds. So, for this year's World Migratory Bird Day, we are shining a much needed spotlight on this issue. Let's do our part to keep our bird species alive, avoid pesticides, grow plants that flower for our insects, spread the message, and that is insects for life. Protect insects, protect our birds. So once again, happy World Migratory Bird Day.